Welcome to this market overview of the DIN rail power supply market. The global DIN rail power supply market was valued at USD 2.1 billion in 2024 and is projected to reach USD 3.4 billion by 2035, growing at a CAGR of 4.48%. Growth is driven by industrial automation, smart manufacturing, IoT-enabled power systems, and rising demand for energy-efficient electrical infrastructure. Asia-Pacific holds around 48% share, followed by Europe at 27%, North America at 19%, Middle East and Africa at 4%, and Latin America at 2%. Based on the 2024 global value, this equals approximately USD 1.01 billion for Asia-Pacific, USD 567 million for Europe, and USD 399 million for North America. By phase type, single-phase DIN rail power supplies lead the market with 58.3% share, while power supplies up to 480 watts hold 43.2% share. To know more about our research services, visit www.verifiedmarketresearch.com or reach out to us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.